This lot is 2.38 acres in the Piedmont Lake subdivision off exit 30, Highway 185, about 35 to 40 miles to Columbus Fort Benning, and about 65-70 minutes to Atlanta Airport. Look at the description below to learn about the details about restrictions and covenant in this neighborhood, and thank you for watching. Piedmont Lake is a prestigious gated community in Pine Mountain, Georgia, 31822, located about 5 miles from Interstate 185 off exit 30, Hopeful Churches Road. This is the sales office at the front gate. This is the front gate. It's a keypad that you have to have the code to get in. This is the lot for sale, 2.38 acres, listed for the price on the screen. The house site is located between these two houses, and it backs up to the power lines. It's a kind of a pie-shaped lot, but it'd be a beautiful setting. This is a view of the 212-acre plus lake. There's a 5-mile road around the lake for walking, jogging, riding your bikes, or whatever the case may be. There's a volunteer fire station there, swimming pool, 2 clay Rubico courts, playground, covered picnic area. HOA annually is $2,102, paid in 2 payments. There's also trash pickup, road maintenance, and common area maintenance. Beautiful property. Hope you consider this as a second home or your primary residence. If you would like more information about this property, you can get the contact information off the lot sign or have your agent contact the listing agent. Thank you and have the best day ever.